Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some elegant gold room decor items. So what you're going to need some gold bling wrap, and this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you to check them out. You will also need some silver glitter. This is from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 amber colored Budvases, or you could use clear, and you'll need 2 square candle holders. I'm going to be using tacky glue and hot glue in this project. Now if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete the beautiful projects that we're creating today. If I decide to use any additional items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these elegant home decor pieces or room decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.